Okay, so in this little tutorial I want to show you how we can change the background color when we're using a multi-framed GUI, so when we go from one page to another. So here's the GUI that I supplied you with, and the problem is that how do we change the background color of just one page or maybe all the pages? I'm going to show you two methods here. If I run this at the moment, you'll see that I've just got this. Just go to the different pages and they're all grey. So it's not all that good. I want to actually have the pages being all the background colour. How do I do that? Well, let's go back to the website and let's see what I talk about colour. When we set a window up, we can have this bit of code that says root.configure. If we use the background, then we have a colour which is in hexadecimal. We could also use blue, red, etc. So let's see if we can figure out where to implement this in the actual code. Alright. What's happening in our code is that we've created these variable names and they equal a frame. And so we're turning our widgets into collecting them into a frame, and then we're basically we can then add text to those frames and everything like this. But I don't want to add background color just to one little widget. I want to add it to the whole frame. So one way to do that is just after here, after we've declared all the frames, we could do this. Home. Dot configure. And then I could write BG for background color. I'll just give it any old hashtag, so I'll just go FF AA BB. I'm not sure what color that is, we're about to find out. And what should happen is when I'm on the home page, that background color should be there. Let's run that and see what happens. So you can see when I'm on the home page, we've got this pinky sort of a color, but it doesn't affect any other page. So if I got the home page doing that, I could then change that to, let's say, page 1. And then I'll change that to, I might change that to AABB. Not sure what colour that is. There you go, we've got a different colour on page 1. And page 2. Okay, that's fine. What about if I wanted to have a consistent colour all the way through? It's a bit, I could actually create a code for each page, but I'd rather just create a universal code. If we come down here and have a look in the for loop here, I've got 4 frame in each one of those frames, and then I've actually been able to say that it should be in row 0, column 0, and I should I'll actually place that in the middle here. So what I could also do is do this. Frame.configure. Then I'll say BG. And then I'll say hashtag, not sure what color that is. Well, if I run that, what should happen is that it doesn't matter whether it's a home frame, page 1, page 2 or page 3, it should all be this colour here. There you go. And it's all that colour there. So we've all got that background colour. Now you'll also notice that, well, it doesn't affect any of the labels here. So the label is still this colour. So if we go to page 3 now and use the same background, we could actually affect the, so now I go to here to where it says page 3. I've got the label says text page 3. If I put a comma in here, then now this background colour for this label should be that. So page 1, nothing happens. Page 2, now page 3. Can you see the label now has changed colour? So what you'll have to do is when you want background if you want a label to be the same background as a universal background, you'll have to go and individually change it. So that's how to do that, how to change a background color using these, using what I've shown you today.